Next part of our personal finance game is to start talking about retirement. Again, you have figured out your salary, you have figured out what career path you'd be going into, and once you get into a career somewhere, you want to start thinking about retirement right away. So the best way to do this is to find out how much you're going to need for retirement. So what we're going to do is going to do that first. How much do you actually need? From our future assignment, when we talked about future salary, you're supposed to find the low, the median, and the high. They say the best way to know how much you need is to take the top amount of money you'll probably be making at the end of your career and multiply that by 8. So if I did teacher, here's the starting amount, here's the high amount, $85,690. So I'm going to take this amount of $85,690 and then I'll put this in here, and I'm going to multiply this by 8. So in our calculator here, times 8. So I'm needing $685,520 to retire on. And again, this is a ballpark figure. Now, what I'm going to do next is step 2 is we need to figure out how much do I need to start contributing each month. So we're going to take our current salary, which is the bottom here of $36,930, and we're going to multiply that. Usually people try to do about 3% if not more. So we're going to multiply this by 3%, which would be 0.03. So I'm looking to put away each year $1,107.90. So for our game, we're going to take that amount and we're going to divide that by 12 because we'll be putting this amount towards our retirement each month. So this amount divided by 12 will get me to, we'll just round it off here, we'll just say it's $93. So $93 is what we'll be putting to our retirement each month. Now I'm going to go back to my monthly expense report and I'm going to create this section here. On your monthly expense report you have now, if you made a copy, this would not be on there, so you need to create this yourself. So retirement account, the due date, and how much you're contributing, $93. Go ahead, you can go ahead and do this on your own. It is due on the 29th, and this is a check that needs to be written out. So on the 29th, you need to put your retirement amount in there. Okay, now that I know how much to put away for each month, now I'm going to go to this link, and this is on Google Classroom. This will take you to Foundations U, which is part of the Dave Ramsey curriculum. I'm going to click on the investment calculator, and I'm going to start putting in the amount to see if I am on track to be able to retire in time. So we're going to put 0 in as the starting balance as if we have nothing. And the annual rate of return, we're going to say it's 9.5. People might agree or disagree with it be that high or it's too low, but we're just going to say it's 9.5. How much do you plan to contribute monthly? This is going to be what I found here of $93. How many years do you plan to contribute? We're going to put 43. Remember again, our game is based on you're probably 22, you graduate, and you add 43 to that, that'll be 65. It's time to retire, if not work later. So we're going to put 43 years. How much will this investment be worth in be 43 years as well? So we're going to hit show results. So at the end of 43 years, we'll have $680,746.02. So I'm going to take this amount and I'm going to put this now back here, okay? So are you able to hit your retirement goal by age 65? My goal is 685,520. I'm only be able to get 680, so no, I will not be able to hit my retirement goal on that amount. Now, again, this is based on what your starting salary is. As you go through the years and you get raises and switch jobs, you'll make higher pay. So obviously you'll be putting more towards your retirement, so you should have no problem in order to hit that goal. But for this example, I was not able to make it. So what I need to do here in this last section is I need to put the amount I'd be short. So it is $4,773.98. And if you read the directions here, I said if it's green, that put it in green if you have more than you need to retire, or if it's less, you need to put red. So for my example, I would have to put red. Okay? So again, this is what's going to be due on the 29th of each month for your retirement, and use the tools that we provided. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see what happens. Thanks.